Hello programmers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Randil Samarasinghe from RANDI RAVEL YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you how to add navigation bar to your beautiful website. First, create new folder on your PC. I am create new folder navigation bar. Now you can use any code editor to code HTML and CSS. I am use Visual Studio Code Editor. Click the icon displayed in the video to watch how to download and install this code editor. Now go to File, then open Folder. In Desktop, select this folder. Now click New File, then index.html and style.css. In this index.html, I am type, then enter. This is the sample web page when we can create in Visual Studio Code Editor. Now I am changed the title navigation bar. In the body I am add new div. To add new div, I am keep dot container. Press enter, automatically create the div class. In this container, I am create new tag nav. In this nav, I am create new class navbar. In this navbar, I am create new div logo. In this logo div, I am open h1 tag, then type RANDI RAVEL. Then open new tag span. Because I want this RANDI RAVEL text in different color. Then Ravel is in span text. Now I want to add UL text to add the nav links. Now I am use UL. In this UL, I am use anchor tag. Then I am keep link still hash. In this anchor tag, I am use new class links. Now I am type the menu name is home. Now I am copy this, paste. Now I am add this nav links. Now I am open this with live server. You can use this live server feature in Visual Studio Code. You can see this is our H1. Then this is the links, our nav links. Now this is our HTML part. It is very short. Now we want to decorate or style this. To style, we would use style.css. Now I am type star. When we add these curly brackets or star, it is working on the body in our website. Now I want to add the padding. Padding is 0 and margin also 0. Now I am save. First we need to link this CSS file and style.css file. To link I am use link tag, then style.css. Now then save, go to Chrome. Now you can see like this. No any margin because we keep the margin and padding into 0. Now I am at text decorations, none. Then box sizing, border box. Then I want to keep the font family is cursive. You can use any. You can use any third-party font style using fonts.google.com website. We use font family. Font family is cursive. Then save. You can see this is our cursive font family. We keep this text decoration is none. Then the underline of these links is hide because text decoration is none. Now we want to decorate the navbar. This is our navbar. In the navbar, we want to use display. And display is flex. When we use display is flex, you can see like this in one line. Then justified content to keep the space. You can see it is in left and right. Now I want to keep height is 9vh. You can see like this. Then width is 100%. Then background color we use this light color like this. It's looking good. Then save. This color is looking good. Now I want to add the padding and margin to our logo. Then I am keep dot. To change our div class, we use dot logo. Then padding is 9 pixel. Save. Like this you can see. Like this you can see is padding is working. Then margin left is 40 pixel. Like this, keeping space in margin left. Now I want to change the navbar menu. Navbar menu. We keep the UL class is navbar menu. Like this. Now I am copy. Paste it in here with dot. Now I am keep padding. Padding in top is 10 pixel, then right is 100 pixels, then bottom is 0 pixel, then left is 100 pixels like this, top, right, bottom, then left. Then save you can see like this. Save. Like this you can see. It is in middle our navigation bar. Now I want to change the font size. Font size is 1 rem. Then font weight is bold. Like this, it is very beautiful now. Now I want to keep this ravel color is red and this one is black. To make this, we use this span tag. Now we add span. Then color is this color code, maroon color. You can see ravel color is red. Now the nav links also this color. You can see this is div tag. Keep dot and paste. Now change the color into maroon color. It is working like this. These all are the links. This is the method that we can create clearly and easily our navbar or navigation bar. In our HTML file, first we add HTML tag, then head tag. In this head tag, title tag and linking tag. Then in this body we use one div. It is container. All are in this container tag. In this container we use nav tag. Then class is navbar. In this nav tag we use another div called logo. In this logo we use H1, then span this ravel, then close it the div tag. Then our UL class name is navbar menu. This you can see our nav links looking like this. Then closing the UL tags, then closing the nav tag, and our container div is also closed. Then body also and HTML tag also closed. This is our index.html. It is very small. In our CSS file, we keep our padding and margin in 0. Then text decoration is null, font family cursive. Then in navbar we use display flags to keep in one line, then justified content to keep left and right, then keep 100 VH and width is 100%. To keep the background color in this navbar, we use this light color. In our logo, we add padding is 9 pixels and left margin is 40 pixels. Our navbar menu, we add padding on top 10 pixels, then right 100 pixels, then bottom 0, left also 100. Then font size is 1 rem, font weight is keep bold, these are in bold. In our span tag we use this maroon color, then our links also in maroon color. You can see it is working on our HTML or our website. I think this video is very interesting and helpful for your programming life. If you like my video, press the like button to my video, and if you want to get my brand new videos quickly, subscribe my YouTube channel, click the notification bell icon and select all options to get my new videos as a notification to your device. Follow RANDI RAVEL on your social media also. Okay, let's meet in brand new video on my YouTube channel.